I was delaying my curiosity about yoga, even learning the basic until I came across sun salutation when I was reading the book Ikigai. The sun salutation is one of the most iconic exercises in Hatha Yoga. To do it, you simply have to follow 12 basic movements. And when you finish the cycle, you've just greeted the sun. Now, you're ready to have a fantastic day. I wanted to try yoga because I wanted to be flexible even though I have a bit of a weight and they say it helps your soul. Then came the day that I am struggling on something with my personal life. At first, I was having cramps on my pelvis area and lower back, but no pain, no gain, right? Yeah, I was struggling again silently. Sleepless nights, no appetite, allergies, constipation, crying any time of the day, and sudden staring from the horizon. So what I did, I also included meditation at the end of every 3 cycles of my sun salutation. It was never easy as I have breakdowns during those meditations. I keep reminding myself to make it one of the reasons to get out of bed so I can have a purpose each day. I wanted to learn how I can clear my mind from the continuous thinking, like to be calmer and practice the art of flow. To not talk and think first when I'm on the verge of my emotions, and to find purpose no matter what pain and sadness hits me. It was harder than I thought, just like a quote from Robin Williams. And he quote, I used to think that the worst thing in life was to end up alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people who make you feel alone. I was trying to push myself to become a habit, like an obligation to better myself, like to realize that in any and every situation, no matter how bad or undesirable, we always have a choice, or I always have an opportunity to practice a better me for tomorrow from a good me of today. I once watched Stoicism, and the Stoics says over and over again, we don't control what happens to us. We control how we respond. But unfortunately, the way we respond it makes it worse. And then we complain that it's too hard to get over. A slight positivity can turn that pain into an opportunity to learn and grow. I am still a work in progress, but life is short. We must give things also from the above. It doesn't matter how long you grieve, just let it flow, because the universe has its own natural flow of life. You know what they say? Give time its own right time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a good day.